Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to look pregnant in Dress to Impress. So in this tutorial, we are unlocking one of the most surprising and hilarious outfit hacks, how to fake a pregnant look using in-game items. So this is the look for the pregnant hacks, and I'm going to show you how you can create the fake baby bump. So to start, you can go to the men's section and put on this t-shirt in here, so it will make you look like wearing a oversized t-shirt. And I'm using the sweatpants on the men's section, so it will look like a hospital gown like this. And after that, you can grab this pumpkin and use the same color as the shirt. So I'm using this light blue color, and don't forget to change the texture into matte like this. And now you're going to grab a teddy bear on the currency item in here, this one, and toggle it into number 3. So now the pregnant look is done, and this is the final look. So you don't need VIV, just a little creativity and some clever layering. So time to bump up your style game. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap on the thanks button for more fun DTI tutorials. Bye!